Hi guys. Let's see. Okay. Sorry I couldn't make a video yesterday, Monday. But I was like dead. I was drowned in homework. I did like 2 hours of reading. I had a friend, Mia. Wow. Text me and I was texting her. I was like, I don't know what to do, help me. But anyways, today's subject is how to survive. ... And so I picked how to survive rainy days. Okay. So, as you see, today it's a pretty rainy day. Wait, I can't do this. Today it's a pretty rainy day. It's flooding. Yay. Yes. Yeah. Anyways, today, here are 5 tips. First tip. Sing the song Umbrella and Singing in the Rain. I have no copyrights to the song. I mean, like, I do not have their permission. Well, I guess I sort of have their permission, but I'm not, like, taking credit for the song. No. There's no copyrights, okay? That's all I know. I'm singing in the rain, singing in the rain. It's glorious feelings, I'm happy again. I'm laughing at clouds so dark up above. I'm singing, singing in the rain. That's all I know of it. Okay, so now umbrella. You can stand under my umbrella, Ella, 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 it's raining, raining, oh, it's raining, raining, oh, come into me, into me. Watch some anime. Of course, I don't have it going yet. Let's see. That was step 2. Step 3. Talk to your friends. Okay, I'm gonna call. Wait, no. Hello? Hey, Mia. Yes, you're gonna be on after this, right? After my video? Okay. Peace! Bye. That was step 3. Call some friends. Yeah. Step 4. Make some food. That's good. Okay, actually there's 6 steps. Step 5. Play what you were eating like a drum. Let's see. Step 6. Comment, like, subscribe on this video, and I'll 5 awesome twins. Oh yeah. Let's see. Oh yeah. So, what was I gonna say? Oh yeah. We only have 2 awesome twins. So, we need 3 auditions. Well, actually, maybe 2. I'll tell you guys tomorrow. Well, anyways, from Brianna, from 5 Awesome Tweens. Hi, I got you. It's Alex. What? From Alex from 5 Awesome Tweens.